Hello y'all, thanks for tuning in. Might want to turn down your audio, could get a little loud, but today we're doing a PS5 HDMI port replacement. There we go. More summer. Solder and the new port and bolt drip and test. I've already cleaned her all up. So we can test you right after we install the port. We also just got to attach the new port and then we can bolt her up and test. Might want to turn down your audio. Come on. Wow, that shine is intense. Good thing I'm going back to MTech. But yeah, that's the finished product. Let's go ahead and see how we did on the pins. There's the final outcome on the pins. We did pretty good. Let's go ahead and bolt it up and test. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday. Perks included with membership. The store is now open, so if you guys would like to show more support, we have keychains, we're adding different parts. The parts we add are intended for other shops, as well as the adventurous. There is no tech support provided, unfortunately, and we don't recommend it. We'd rather you guys send stuff to us and we fix it. We're willing to even give discounts to do so, so no scrap units end up. Anyhow, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment.